at some point.
No, what I want to do is, we went on YouTube and we found out that if you want to put a turbo gauge in, boost gauge,
Where?
that some of the videos aren't too clear. So it's going to make one nice and clear. That we put this tube here, that's your pressure tube and out, yeah?
There's that on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it goes down into the intercooler outlet pipe.
What's that? Right there?
Yeah.
That?
It follows it up. And you can't put it on, that's the cold side, you can't put it on the hot side, you're going to melt it.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa, I never knew that.
But don't forget, this is because it's diesel.
Yes, I get it.
Because if it's petrol, you got to do it on the vacuum hose. Because it's diesel, turbo diesel.
So where are you looking at? That right down there?
Yeah, it goes into there.
Do you mean that big black tube?
Yeah, big black one.
This one?
Yeah, goes. That's,
yeah, I think it's dirty. It's oily.
Outlet of the intercooler.
Nice.
Because yeah, it's getting sucked and that through there, blown through there, the intercooler, and goes into there, follows it through. Couldn't go through the firewall.
What's this bit though?
That's just a petrol filter, diesel filter.
Diesel.
But like I was saying, on YouTube, you haven't got any. There's no decent video showing the how to do it for a diesel car.
If there is.
Yeah, so we're making this video to show people that if you want to put a boost gauge in, you've got to do it on the outlet of the intercooler.
Is this something like the...
That's just the power steering pump.
That's the air, is that the air filter?
Yeah.
Nice.
As we follow this through, because I can't go through the firewall, let's go
what the heck is this? Is it a
past the
piston?
bonnet.
What's this, Dad?
What?
What's that?
That's the auxiliary belt.
It just...
We followed it through, gone through this way, through here, it goes into this, and through here, and goes onto there.
Oh, can I have a look?
And we've also got this on there,
Yeah.
which is a temperature for the intercooler itself.
This also tells
Intercooler outlet pipe, and that's how hot it gets. And that also follows the same route through there, up there, around there. That's what this wire is. And if you can see it, it goes down right next to
I'll hold your keys.
the wire. I don't think you can see it very well.
Can't you?
So you've got a temperature gauge and a boost gauge.
Where
Yeah,
is
go
it?
on.
Where is it? That bit?
See the black wire? No, black wire.
That one.
This one there, look, follows that down there. Follows that down there. And that follows down the boost gauge.
To here?
That's it, that's good, yeah. And that's the best way to do it, because the YouTube videos don't show it too well.
And that's the air filter, by the way.
Just helping people out, aren't we?
Is that an electric?
That's the battery, isn't it?
Battery, water filter.
Yeah.
That's the water.
That's covered, that should help people.